my friends. Today after work, I'm going to fishing. Yes, I'm on the way to the river. Yes, in my hometown. It's really very beautiful. Today the weather is very calm. The temperature between 19 and 20. Wow, look at that. It's so beautiful. Yeah. And right now, waiting for the fish bite. Yeah. The rice fields are turning yellow. The dry harvest is coming soon. Wow. Look.